Wayudo kanyo ni kwetha mago mag Linda Mwananchi. Owuok kendo sani to koro gikwedo malich miwuoro piny owacho mano mamalo kuom tiyo koda yorego mago maricho erakore koda jogo mago mabende osebedo ka kwedogi e pacho kae. Sifuna kaachiel kod Godfrey Osotsi bende ne okwedo spika mano mar od bura mamalo migosi Moses Wetangula kuom okang' mabende ne okawo mano mar kumo migosi Anthony Kibagendi ni kikodonji e od bura mano mamalo.
The preamble, including the rule of law, are the underpinning of any functional society. It is not about roads and bridges and railways. Those ones everybody can build. Babu here, if you go to his constituency, he has built a lot of classrooms for schools and other things. But he has never killed anyone. He doesn't go around intimidating young people or arresting people because they have posted something on social media. He's also insulted on social media. People say things about us that are negative.
To blatantly, intentionally, and deliberately disobey court orders without any legal justification. The suspension given to Anthony Kibagendi by the Speaker of the National Assembly is null and void, just simply because Anthony Kibagendi uttered words.
Decision of Speaker Wetangula puts into question the principle of separation of powers in the three levels of government, because a judiciary cannot make a decision and the head of legislature decides to ignore the decision of the other level of government. So we want to ask the Speaker of the National Assembly. He took an oath to uphold and protect the Constitution, and he should just do that. Otherwise, we want to encourage Mheshimiwa Kibagendi to move to court and obtain contempt